Hey, listen, this is the best time right now to get your business up and running. You do not even need a product. Guys, erase the thought that you need a product or genius invention to start. Technically, all you need is an email address, social media account, and Wi-Fi. I've been doing this for years. I grew up in the digital space. I've been living and breathing the internet for years, and trust me, I've built multiple business doing this e-commerce stuff. It's all in this course right here. I reveal it all, but this is $3,564, and that's not realistic for everyone to start with. So before taking the leap into the full program, I have also revealed everything in my new book, The Online Millionaire. What I want you to do right now is I want you to click above or below, go to the next page, and what you're going to do is grab a copy of my new book, The Online Millionaire. It's on a promo right now, 100% free. This 6-step success system, you're gonna read about it in there. It's the master program of master programs where I show you how to turn this little thing, which is an idea in your head of what you want, into 6 different steps of monetization. Listen, 6 different steps. 6 steps that you can monetize without a product of your own to start, without wasting a ton of money on trial and error or incompetent gurus who threw together an 8-week program in a couple of hours that doesn't actually teach you anything, fully start to finish, how to be successful with an e-commerce business. And you can lean on $100,000 plus of information that I had to pay for. And on top of that, this 6-step success system is being used by companies out there that are successful from it. If you're a new entrepreneur trying to navigate the online space and become successful, this 6-step success system was designed for you. And I can confidently say it, along with my company, Williams Wealth Creation, is the only thing you'll need for the next 5 years and all the way up to $1 million of revenue per year. Then you'll need to upgrade to our corporate sales coaching and continue doing business with us and stay networked with our billionaire mastermind retreats. Guys, this is our $1 million challenge, and we're waiting for you to join now. So you click above or below and go to the next page and opt in for training and a free book. It'll come with a free strategy session on top of all of that. Just pick a time that works best for you. Then when you attend the free training and you are there till the end, you'll unlock my book for free, which will be shipped right to your door, and everyone that attends and gets to the end. So this is your chance right now. Plus, I have a little bonus for you. When you opt in for the training and you mark the date on your calendar, I have 2 free tickets to my The Online Millionaire live event, where I will show you how it is that an email, idea, or Wi-Fi connection turns into multiple different streams of revenue. That book, The Online Millionaire, that will be sent to your house, you should read that before starting so you are prepared for high-performance coaching and the 6-step success system. We're going to get you in the best financial health and turn you into the best damn version of yourself that you've ever been. I'll see you guys there.